Let's install some new Whiteline sway bars on the Nissan Z.
Whiteline just sent us some rear and front sway bars along with their adjustable end links for the Nissan Z to try and reduce body roll. So I do want to say thanks to Whiteline. I'm gonna leave their links in the description in this video. When you lower your car, your stock end links might get unadjusted, which is why you would want to get something like adjustable end links so they're not being twisted in the wrong way, and you make sure they keep that 90 degrees. But before we can actually go ahead and begin this install, we actually have to head to the track to test out the Z. How much body roll does it have? Let's see the before. 3, 2, 1.
And we're here at the track where we're gonna test the Nissan Z before we put on the sway bars to see if we see any type of body roll. After we install the sway bars, car should be a little bit more planted. Is it good?
Right there.
Right there? Yeah. Now the car should be balanced to ride height, and now we can go ahead and begin our test and see if we get any body roll. This is stock sway bars before we install the Whiteline one, so about 1 finger gap. You can fit one finger gap. Straight off the bat from the front, it's hard for me to notice, but I guess right there you can slightly notice it. But where you really see it lean is from the back side. You can see right there it leans like a cholo right there. Boom, look at that, adding crazy body roll right there. We're gonna go back home, install the Whiteline sway bars as well as their adjustable end links. We'll return back to the track and see if it has that same problem or not. There's some body roll there a little bit. It feels planted overall. I think the Z is a nimble car, but yeah, you can definitely feel a little bit of body roll. But overall, not too bad, not too crazy. And just like that, we're back at home with the Z, back with the sway bars. So now that we went ahead and removed part of the exhaust, we removed this brace right here, which was really only those 6 bolts. We have full access to remove the rear sway bar along with the end links that are right there. That way it's just easier to remove. There you go, that comes out. We'll leave one so we're not holding it the entire time. So with the rear sway bar out, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Straight off the bat, the Whiteline one is a tiny bit smaller in diameter than the OEM one. Now before you get all freaked out, the OEM one is lighter. It seems to be a hollow piece of metal. It's pretty light. This one, however, is a solid piece of metal. It weighs a lot more than this one, making this one a lot stiffer, which is what you want. I'm at 174 pounds, 174.4, damn. Carry this. I am now at 181.6 pounds. We're now gonna go ahead and carry the Whiteline one. We're at 185.2. So even though this is a little bit smaller in diameter, it is a solid piece of metal, making this a lot stiffer. It's a rear sway bar, so I don't want to go too stiff on the rear side, so I am gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna go medium. I'm gonna go in the middle hole right here. Before we can install this, we do have to lubricate these polyurethane bushings. I actually lost weight, I think. 174.8. Okay, now we're gonna carry the sway bar. It's very light, it's hollow. And we are at 183.6. Now we're gonna carry the white line. Oh my god, this one is significantly heavier. We are at 189.2. This is the front white line sway bar. Holy. 189.2. Has only two options, a softer one and a harder one. So we're gonna go with the one closest to the bar, which is this one right here. That'll give us our stiffest option here in the front. We want to go as stiff as possible. And we are officially back at the track. After the installation, we got the white line front and rear sway bars. We went stiffest setting in the front. In the rear, we went the medium setting, not stiffest, not the loosest. Is that a proper word? We have the whole track. It's a beautiful day. Show them the track. I mean, we just got miles and miles. Like, this thing is beautiful. You're clear. Got miles of road. Beautiful day. Nice. All right, we found our little road. Let's get some. See how this thing feels with the sway bars. Not bad. Like that corner pretty good. Okay, we're gonna hit this at. Oh, that's pretty damn good. Man, that's hella good. Damn, I could hug this corners like fucking, what's that one? Gran Turismo. I don't even feel like this thing's even close to slipping.
No, you're not even chirping the tires yet. That's smooth.
Yeah, no kidding. Here's a 20-mile-an-hour turn. Yeah, that should look good. Oh, damn! What is this, Lion King? No, mate! Damn Lion King. I'm gonna take this nasty and see if we can chirp. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it even chirped the tires yet.
Damn, that's solid. What the fuck? I mean, we do have some pretty sticky tires too. We got some R888s, but damn, that's solid. Holy shit.
Bro fell in love with the car again.
Oh, for real. Like, you feel kind of scared, like, oh, like, you know, you're going kind of fast for a pretty sharp turn, but then you take in, the tires aren't chirping. Like, I feel like we could really push the car if you had some big balls. My balls were kind of shaking right there. And we're at the end of this video, and luckily for you guys, we filmed this video at the perfect time, nice and sunny, because for the next week it is raining every single day. We have both cars here in the garage. Just some final thoughts on it. I don't know if it's an illusion. I don't know if it's I don't know if my mind just wants to believe it. I don't know what it is, but when we were driving the Z around that little track, the car felt really, really stable. Like, I mean, the car was hugging the turns the entire time. And the only reason I didn't push it even further, it truly feels like you're gonna drive off the car off the cliff. It really feels like that, but the car doesn't chirp at all. Like, it is stable. If we had a real track, maybe we can go ahead and push the cars to the limit to see when the car actually spins out. But you are far away from that. The car felt safe throughout those corners. And honestly, I'm actually impressed with it. I had sway bars on my supercharged G35. I now have it on my Z. I don't know. Maybe next one, we install it on the GTR. But regardless, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out Whiteline in the description down below.